Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Ashikin. My project diploma's title is River Cleaning Robot. So first thing, I'm going to introduce myself. My name is Nur Ashikin binti Rashid. My supervisor is Professor Madya Dr. Muhammad Shahril bin Muhammad Aras. You can contact me on my email, and I've already put my phone number here. So my introduction. Pollution is one of the most current situation that we are experiencing. Many individuals do not take serious action in taking care of the river, even though we know that river is one of the main source for human. Due to the problems that occur nowadays, a river cleaning robot is introduced in helping humans to clean the river continuously. This is an initiative that has been taken in order to clean up the river. It is designed using the concept of a boat which can navigate through the river. This robot is controlled by humans on land via radio frequency of transmitter. So what is the objective of my project? The main objective of this project is to design and develop a river cleaning robot in helping humans to collect rubbish in the river. It is a project that works on the water. Stability is an important aspect that must be taken during the test. In this project, the stability of the prototype can lift only 500 grams of loads. This is the scope that I want for my project. Okay, project implementation. I put my flowchart here and I'm going to explain it. Okay, first, when I get the title of the project diploma, I start to gather information and ideas on what I should do about this title, which is I have discussed with my supervisor. And then, when I've already write down all the ideas and information, I start to set objective and scope on what I want from this project. After the scope and objective has been explained to my supervisor, I start to design drawing on my own, and after the design drawing has been approved by the supervisor, I make the material selection. When I've already choose the materials, that what kind of material that I want to use for my prototype, and I will construct it. When I've already construct, I will test on the functionality test, which is if the prototype functioned like I want, the functionality test only stop there, and if it's failed, I will improve on the final product. So the outcome and discussion. In this project refers to the boat's stability and floating capabilities are important aspects that need to be taken during the test. This is because these aspects will affect the results when tested. Stability is important as it needs to collect a lot of rubbish in the river. As it uses the concept of a boat, the ability of an object to float is described as its buoyancy. The boat is stable because as it begins to heal, one side of the hull begins to rise from the water and the other side begins to submerge. This causes the center of buoyancy to shift toward the side that is lower in the water. So, I will explain you the result. Actually, my objective did not exceed because my boat cannot move straight even when I directed it to do so. This is because my propeller did not get fully into the water, so it cannot move properly. My boat also cannot lift weight more than 500 grams, like I have been told on the scope before. Somehow, it only can lift to 20 grams of load. This is what I get from what I have been tested. This is because the materials that I used actually cannot stand with the weight that I have suggested. So here is my current prototype, which is this is from the left view, rear view, and front view. So I'm going to show you the demo of the project, which is first I put the load on it, and second I didn't put the load. Okay, this is when I put the load. It only can move to left and right. As you can see here, I'm sorry. As you can see here, oops, it moves to the left and then to the right. Okay, so I'm going to put some recommendations to make the project successful in the next time. First, strengthens the motor holder so that the ability of controlling the direction is more accurate. This is what I've said to my propeller just now. It not get fully into the water, so it cannot move um, properly. Second, weight sensor can be added to alert on the weight of the rubbish when docking. This is because weight sensor, when we use the weight sensor, we know that when the when the um, when the place to put the rubbish is full or not, as weight sensor will sense the weight of the rubbish. Last but not least, put electronic components in a waterproof case so that it can protect them when especially from rain or from the splash of the water. So it will not um, it will not make the electronic components break or break. Okay, so the conclusion. As the conclusion, these river cleaning robots can be controlled with a certain distance so that the abilities to clean up the river area will be less human intervention. Transmitter and receiver is used to direct the robot to move, which makes the product more efficient as it helps the cleaning process easier. The robot can navigate through the river to dock the rubbish even if the location is far from the riverbank. The size of the prototype is medium range, which capable to bring by human to the river, and it is easy to handle with. This river cleaning robot is actually also helps in shorten the time taken to clean the river, as it has a constant speed that will continuously working, which is it is impossible for human energy. Other than that, this robot also can help human from traveling far in the river to collect the rubbish. I think that's all from me. Thank you.